This con-
Good evening, everyone. My voice is audible and my screen is visible for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, okay. So yesterday we had discussed about the about some options which is in the data tab. So that means so get external data. So that means you have to import the data from the notepad, and then you can import the data from the internet. Okay, so so many things you have. Okay, so I have already told you, right? So are you having any doubts in those things, or else in any doubts in the assignment or something? You are still having somebody is still having some confusion in this assignments or something. Okay, so whatever you are having doubts, you just ask me now, I will clear. And yesterday somebody asked me the doubt related to some option, so you can ask me now, I'll just clarify the doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
There's only two assignment, no, ma'am.
Ah, correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now clear with the other options, that is you can, I mean, getting the data, that means importing the data from the Excel workbook only, or from the PDF workbook, sorry, PDF file, or else from the this one internet. Okay, so so many things you have here. Okay, so you have any doubts in the any in any of the options?
No, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, so then the next option is about the sort and filter here. Okay, so I am just putting here the particular one simple data here.
Ma'am, what about the connections tab?
Connections, so connections in the sense, see, now here you are having a refresh option. I had already told you about this refresh. So refresh in the sense, like whatever the data you are going to import, so if any changes you want, you can do it. Okay, so say for example, you have imported the notepad file, right? You have, after importing the notepad file, so if you have done any kind of changes in that particular notepad file, so then automatically so this will be like it will be get refreshed, like that. Okay, so this is about the refresh option. Okay, so then if you just click on this queries and connections, no, so then you will be having some connections in this. Wait. So what are the connections? That means what are all the files which we have imported? Okay, so all those things it will be showing you here. So that is about the queries and connections here. Okay, so that is about the queries and connections, and this is about the refresh. So whichever the data you are going to import from here. Okay, so if you do any kind of changes in that particular data, okay, so then if you just click on this refresh option here, so automatically it get refreshed here in the Excel file also. Okay, so that is about the refresh option. Okay, so control alt F5 is the shortcut key for refresh all, and this one alt F5 is the shortcut key for refresh option. Okay. So some of the particular salaries we are putting here. Okay, so now if I just click here, okay, so then as soon as I click on the sort option, say now this is about the sorting. Okay, so according to which data you want, so like alphabetical order. Okay, so that means A to Z or Z to A. So that is about the particular order you are going to sort it here. Okay, say now for example, so as soon as you click on this filter here, so automatically the particular symbol will be activated here. Okay, so symbol will be activated here. So that's why what you have to do is, you for the first thing is about the sorting option here. Okay. Okay, so now here I'll just click on this corner. Okay, so and then click on this sort A to Z option. Okay, sort A to Z option. So automatically it will be sorted according to the particular data. So that means not only this names column, so both the department and the salary column also it will be sorted according to the alphabetical order. Understanding? So I'll just put it in the notepad here. So what do you mean by this filter? So first you have to, first data tab I'll put here. Okay, so in this you are having sort and filter. Okay, sort and filter. So what is this? So first you have to activate the filter option. So to activate the filter option, the shortcut key is Control Shift L. Okay, so this one I have already given for you. Okay, so Control Shift L is the shortcut key to activate or to deactivate the particular filter option. Okay, so now the first thing is about the sorting option. Sorting option. So you can arrange the data, okay, according to the alphabetical order. Okay, alphabetical order. So that is from A to Z, or opposite to that. So that means from Z to A. Z to A. Okay, so or else so you are having some more option that is called as the advanced sorting option. Okay, so advanced sorting option. So I'll just show that. So sort by color. Okay, so you can sort the data by color. Okay, so this is about the sorting by color here. Okay, okay, writing all of you. So write down all of you here. So advanced sorting option, that means you can sort the data by color, and even you can apply the customization of the sort also. Customization of the sorting option. So customization means what? So according to our requirement, so it will be red. So that is about the customization. Understanding? Okay, so customization of the particular sort. So that is about the sorting details here. Understanding? Okay, so I'll just show you like how to customize and how to do this, how to select this advanced filter, I mean advanced sorting here. Okay, so first what you have to do is so just go for this. So now this is about the normal sorting where we have arranged the data according to the alphabetical order. Okay, so now the next thing is about, so you just click on this. So this is about the sort Z to A. So that means this is opposite to the alphabetical. So that is from Z to A, the data will be arranged. So that is about the alphabetical order, that is opposite to that, like that. So and then the next thing is about, say now I will be applying the color here. Say now for example, if I just sort this department, so according to the department wise, say now accounts, I will just apply so the different colors here. So for each and every department I'll just apply only one color. Okay, so just I will be selecting this highlight color. Okay, so highlight color I'm just going to select this. So and then finance, so again hold control. So and then as soon as you hold control and click, so then the multiple cells you can select here. Okay, multiple here. So and then you can do the changes whatever you want here. Okay, so again HR I'm just clicking, and then again hold control key and then click on this particular department, the data. Okay, so again click on this corner. Okay, okay, so now this color I have applied here. Okay, so for HR I have applied blue color, accounts it is a brown color, and finance it is a green color. Okay, okay, so now, so now you just select this corner. Okay, so now sort by color. So just select this sort by color. Okay, so then you can just click on this green color first. So then you'll be getting the green color for the department. So whatever the data which has been applied according to the green color, so it will be arranged in the first order, like that. So then again if you just click on this department, so again sort by color. So then click on this blue color now. See, now the blue color is first. Okay, so according to the particular color which you choose, so that one will be the first color. Okay, so that is about the particular highlight color option. Understanding? So that is about the sort by color. So first you have to apply the color for the particular data. So and then after that you have to sort or arrange the particular data according to the respective color. Understood, girls? Any doubts you can ask me?
Understood, ma'am.
Huh. Okay, so this is about the sorting. Okay, so now I will show you about the customization of the particular sort here. Okay, so now I'll just click on this department. So and then so I'll just apply the sorting option here for this. So sort by color and click on this custom sort. Okay, so customization of the sort. So now sort by names, department, and the salary. So now I will just select this department. So here this is called as the level here. So this is actually one level here. Okay, so column sort by. Okay, so now column sort by. So and then sort on which one. Okay, so sort on which one. So if you apply any kind of color, you can choose the things. Okay, so and then in which order you wanted to apply here. So that one also you can apply as a according to the custom list.
Can you do it again?
Yeah, so now here you just click on this department corner. Okay, so that is a you're having the symbol of the filter option here. Okay, so again click on this sort by color. So you'll be having one option that is called as a custom sort here. Okay, custom sort here. So you just click on this custom sort. So now this customization window you will be getting here. Okay, so customization window you'll be getting here. So and then here the column. So again here sort by. So what is this sort by? So now here I wanted to sort the department. I mean arrange the data of the particular department and then sort on whichever the a particular thing is there. So now cell values and then order I have to select here. So or else I can choose the custom list here. So according to the particular list we have, we can just choose the data. Okay, so now I'll just apply this as a to Z only. So and then I can just click on this. So again if I just click on this add level, so then one more level it will be added. Okay, so now department, it has to sort according to alphabetical order. So then salary, it has to be sorted according to the ascending order. Okay, so both it has to be done at a time. Okay, so this is where here we are having three fields. So now at the same time I have applied sorting option for the two fields, understanding. So and then if I just click on OK, so then both the data will get sorted. So this department will be arranged according to the alphabetical order, and then this salary data will be arranged according to the ascending order, like that.
Ma'am, will the department or the salary won't change?
No. So this department will be arranged according to the this one, like alphabetical order. Okay, so and so this names also according to this data only. So this names will be arranged like that. So that is called as a custom sort here. Understood? No. So this is about the sorting option, that is about the customization of the sorter. So now if you just click on this so if you just use this shortcut key, so that's nothing but control shift L. Okay, so then this option will be, I mean, the filter option will be deactivated here. Okay, so then the filter option will be deactivated here. So that is about the filter option. Okay, sort option. So according to the particular order, you can arrange the data and you can just deactivate this filter option here. So that is about the sort and filter. Okay, so understood about this advanced sorting and this custom sort and all. Okay, so
Yes.
next, so next it is about the advanced filter. Okay, next it is about the advanced filter. So what is the difference between the normal filter and the advanced filter? Say now this is, now I'm just telling you about the filter option. Okay, so filter, and so it is there as the advanced filter also. Okay, so filter, so in that filter only we are having advanced filter. Okay, so now here in this what will happen? So if I just click on this filter, no, so then it will be activated. So now if I just click on this department only in the original data, what will happen? So now if I just wanted to filter the data according to the accounts department. Okay, so the complete data I wanted to filter according to the accounts department. Okay, so now I'll just click on OK here. See, now only the accounts department it is showing. So then where is the original data? So we will not be able to find the original data here. Okay, so that is the most disadvantage feature we come across in this particular filter option here. Okay, so the original data we will not be able to view that, so only the filtered data it is displaying here. Okay, only the filtered data it is applying here. So that's why we use this advanced filter. See what will happen if I just apply this advanced filter. No, so I'll be getting both the normal filter, that means the original data, and then the filtered data also. Okay, so that is the advantage in this particular advanced filter here. Okay, so now I'll just clear that filter here. So now I'll just apply the advanced filter option here. Okay, so this is about the advanced filter here. So what should I do here? So if I just click on this advanced filter, so then if I just click on this, copy to another location. Okay, so copy to another location. So there are two actions which will be performing here. So that is, one is filter the list in the particular place only, and then if you wanted to copy the data to the another location, so you can do that also. So that means you have to copy to another location here. So and then list range, so the list range you have to select the data here. So automatically the list gets selected. Okay, so copy to another location, so the list got selected. Okay, so the whole data it has to be selected here. Okay, so then again criteria range, so I wanted to get only the accounts department here. Okay, so that's why what I have to do, so I have to select this department and accounts here. Okay, so department and accounts here. So and then copy to, so where I have to copy, so I should get the data in this E1 column. Okay, so I should get the data in this E1 cell. Okay, so now you just click on this OK here. See now the original data is also there
Ma'am,
and the
please can you
filtered
repeat,
data.
ma'am?
Yeah, I'll repeat.
From the start of this advance, ma'am.
Yeah. So now here, if I just click on this advanced filter, okay, so here I have not clicked any, I have not activated any kind of filter option here. So directly I'm just going to the advanced filter here. Okay, so now as soon as I click on, just you just place the cursor inside the data. Okay, so you just place the cursor inside the data, so in any of the cell. Okay, so then click on this advanced. So now click on this copy to another location here. Okay, so click on this copy to another location here, and then the list range. So list range, the whole data it has been selected. So and then criteria. Okay, so this criteria range. So I have selected this department and accounts here. Okay, so department and accounts. So and then copy to. So where it has to be copied. So where it has to be copied. So and then just click on this OK. See, now I got the data which has been already filtered. So you are having original data also, and you are having the filtered data also. So that is about the advanced filter here. Okay, so now one more thing. So the other department I'll just choose here. Say now what I will do. So I'll just put here as department, and then I'll just put here as the finance. So now again I'll just click on this advanced filter. So now again I'll just click on this copy to another location. Okay, so now I'll just click on this list range. The whole data will be selected. So and then criteria range. So what I will do is, so I'll be selecting this department and finance. Okay, so department and finance. So now this copy to also, so this range you have to click here. So in the E8 cell. Okay, so now click on OK. So now I got the finance department separately. Understood? So this is about the thing. So and then in the same way, I want to even filter this into the HR department also. Okay, so now again click on this advanced filter. Okay, so now copy to another location again. So now what I will do, so I'll just change the criteria only. Okay, so yes, already it is there. So and then copy to the particular location of E14. Okay, so E14. So and then click on OK. See, now I am getting the data which has been already filtered. So according to the department, I can filter here. Okay, so according to the department, I can filter the data here. See, instead of filtering one by one, so say accordingly, I mean to the respective departments, the data you got here, like that. So and then just click here. So and then press Alt is equal to. So press Alt is equal to, so and then press enter. See now you got the total amount of salary which you are paying for the particular department employees. So I mean accounts department employees. So again if you press Alt is equal to, see, automatically you are getting to the respective uh, department, the total salary of the particular respective department. So that is why, I mean, that is how you have to calculate the salary which you are paying to the respective departments. Understood, girls? So this is about the advanced filter option. So everybody should try this, and today's class and tomorrow's class is also very, very, very important.
Ma'am, can you write this in the notes?
Yes, yes, I will write. So the data will be filtered. That is, the original data also will be available with the filtered data or filtered data. Okay, so that means in the example which I have shown you, so respective to the department. Okay, so to the respective department. Okay, according to the respective department. So this is the thing of so the salary which you pay to your employees. Okay, so this is about the advanced filter. So if you want, you just write the data and you just apply. Okay, done, girls? Any doubts? Okay, so next one, and the next option is about the text to columns. Okay, so what is this text to columns? So just write this. Okay, so text will be separated. Okay, so now I'll just apply this in the next sheet. Okay, so now here in this B2 cell, no, so I'll just type here as NICT computer education. Okay, so NICT computer education, so everything in the B2 cell only. Okay, so now what I will do, so now it is displaying in the B2 cell only, but not whenever I take the printout, so it is showing like it is coming outside. the particular column, like in the C column, D column also, right? So now I have to split this data, okay, so into different cells. So that means in the B2 cell I wanted to get the NICT word, and then in the C2 cell I wanted to get the computer word. So then in the D2 cell I wanted to get the education word. Okay, so that's why what I have to do is, so just place the cursor in that particular cell, so and then click on this text to columns here. Okay, so text to columns here. So and then here you're having fixed width. Okay, you're having fixed width. So and then click on this next. Okay, so now here between each and every space here, so you'll be having lines, automatically it will be get selected. Okay, lines will be appeared here. So and then click on the next option. So again click on finish. See, now I'll be getting in the B2 cell NICT, so then in the C2 cell computer, then in the D2 cell education word, like that. So the text will be separated. Okay, so the text will be separated or splitted. Okay, separated into different cells. Okay, different cells. So that is about the text to columns according to the particular column. Okay, done.
Ma'am, can you show the Excel sheet once? Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
sorry, but can you just repeat that once, like separating the departments using the advanced? Like, how did you do it, ma'am? I'm not able to get it. I've tried it.
Advanced filter, ah.
Yes, ma'am, like the criteria and the thing, I'm not able to get it.
Yeah, yeah. I'll do. So what you have to select is, say now I'll just click on this advanced filter. Okay, so now here you just click on the second action, copy to another location. Okay, so copy to another location. So and then what is this list range? So the list range is complete data. Okay, so the list range is complete data you have to select. Okay, so then criteria range, so I'll just select here the department and accounts here. Okay, so now I'll just copy the data in this L column, L1 cell. Okay, so and then click on OK.
Ma'am, I don't know why it says reference isn't valid.
References
Says
invalid.
reference isn't valid. Yes, ma'am.
No. What you have to do, no. So you just whenever you click on this advanced, no. So you just click here and you erase the references which you already have. Okay, so automatically, so it will be getting selected. So by default, some or the other reference, cell reference will get selected. So that's why you just completely you delete that. And then you should get this dollar symbol also. That means dollar a dollar one. That is in the absolute reference. This one, cell reference.
Ma'am, when you copy, you can just click on any cell, no, ma'am.
Which one? No,
Like
no.
the third option, copy to.
Yeah. Any cell you can click. Any cell you can click.
Ma'am, for me, it's coming as sheet one dollar and dollar five.
Okay. No problem. Okay. No problem.
Ma'am, now it says criteria range is not valid. I'm not, that's from that time I'm trying this, it's not coming.
No. Criteria range. No, you just click on the particular thing. Okay. So click on this and then you erase all the things. Okay. So you erase all the things and you select only the department and accounts. Only these two cells you select. See, completely you erase and you just select only the department and accounts like that.
Yes, ma'am, it came, ma'am. Got it, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So next option is about the flash fill. So control E is the shortcut key for flash fill. Okay. Control E is the shortcut key for flash fill. Say now what I will do is, so I'll just put here as the first name. So and then I'll just put here as the last name. Okay. So now what I will do, so I have selected, I have typed here as a James in the first column and Bond in the second column. That means the first name in the first column and last name in the second column. So now I have applied only for the first particular employee. Okay, so then I will be selecting the complete thing. Okay, so complete data I'll select. So and then I'll just click on this flash fill option here. See, as soon as I click on this flash fill, so automatically the data gets filled. Okay, so this is about the flash fill option. Okay, so just write this.
Ma'am, can you show how did you select the data and then do it, ma'am?
Ah,
No, ma'am, how did you
so
select
now
get to James Bond?
no, you type it. You type it as usual. That's all.
Okay.
One example you have to type here. That's all. So and then you have to drag it. Then you have to click on this flash fill. See. Okay, so the automatically the data gets filled according to the respective example you provide. Okay, so now the shortcut
Ma'am,
key
can you
is
show how it works on the Excel once again?
the shortcut key. Yes, I will show you. So the shortcut key of flash fill is, see, now I have typed the first name in the first column. Okay, so and then the second name, that means the last name in the second column. So now what I will do is, so I'll just type the particular example here. So as James Bond. Okay, and then in the same way I have to select this data completely, and then I'll just click on this flash fill. See, now the data will be filled automatically. Okay, so this is about the flash fill option. Control E is the shortcut key for flash fill option. Understood, no?
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so the next option is about after flash fill. You have understood about the flash fill option? Okay, so next it is about the remove duplicates. See in this no. So if we are having the data repeatedly, okay, so then if I just select the particular data, so and then if I just click on this remove duplicates option, okay, so and then click on OK. Say now what it is showing here. So that is 3 duplicate values found and removed. So that means 9 unique values remain. So that means in the particular data, so 3 repeated datas will be appearing here. Okay, so and then 9 unique values remain. So that means 9 data is remaining here. Okay, so that is about the remove duplicates option. Okay, so that means whatever the data which are repeated, so the repeated data will be erased like that. Okay, so will be removed. So write down all of you, the repeated data will be removed from the selected criteria, and unique values will be remained. Okay, so understood no. So this is about the remove duplicates option. Okay, so the next one is about the data validation. Okay, so the data validation. So I'm just putting the simple data here. So now in this particular data, so if I just select this data, only the marks I will be selecting. Okay, so then I'll just click on this corner of this option, that is data validation. So again click on this data validation here. Okay, so again so under this settings, okay, so under this settings, so that means the validation criteria. So in this allow, so you just select this whole number. So whatever we are recording here is called as the valid data. So that means the valid data we are entering here. Okay, so now you just select this whole number and then the data. So data in the sense, so I am selecting here as the between here. Okay, so between, so and then minimum, so minimum I'll just select here as 35 and the maximum I'll just put here as 100. So that means the valid data is 35 to 100. Okay, so the valid data is 35 to 100. Okay, so now I'll just click on OK. Understood? No. So again click on this data validation. Again click on this circle invalid data. So what will happen? So circle invalid data. So invalid in the sense. So now which is the valid data? So the valid data. So the valid data is from 35 to 100. Okay, so then what is about the invalid data? So invalid data will be either less than 35 or so if you have the data then it is greater than 100 also. Okay, so less than 35 is invalid data and greater than 100 also it is valid data, I mean invalid data. Okay, so then you just then the particular data will be circled here. So that is about the data validation. So that means less than 35 only the invalid data will be marked, will be circled here like that.
Ma'am, can you explain it once more?
So again if you wanted to clear this, so you have to select. Okay, so again click on this corner, so then you click on this clear validation circles. Okay, so since here the circles will be cleared. Okay, so now if I just change this data, see, now I will not be able to edit this because the particular criteria is already mentioned that 35 to 100. Okay, so that's why what I will do is, so I'll be selecting the data. So and then I'll just click on this data validation and then I'll click on this clear all. And then whatever the particular criteria I have given, so that one I am clearing here. So and then click on OK. See, now the particular criteria has been cleared here. So now if I wanted to change the data, see automatically it will be changed here. Okay, so that is about the data validation. So once more I will just explain you this one. So first what you have to do is, so first you have to select the particular marks. Okay, so only the values. Okay, so now click on this corner of the data validation option. Okay, so again click on this data validation here. Okay, so now again the validation criteria, so allow, so you select here as the whole number. Okay, so allow, select here as the whole number. So and then data, it has to be selected between. So I'm just putting here the valid data information. Okay, so now minimum, so that means 35. Maximum, that means 100. So 35 to 100 is the valid data here. Okay, so now again click on OK. See, now the particular valid data, it will be applied here. Okay, so now again click on this data validation. So again click on this circle invalid data. Okay, see now I have typed here as valid data is 35 to 100. So then what about the invalid data then? So the invalid data will be either it will be less than 35 or else it will be greater than 100. So that is your invalid data. So the particular invalid data, it will be encircled here like that. Understood? No? Okay, so understood about the data validation.
Yes, ma'am.
So now again you can clear this. Okay, so again click on this data validation and again click on this clear validation circles. Okay, so this is about the data validation option. So this one I am just putting in the notepad. So mark the valid data here. Okay, so and you can encircle the invalid data which is not within the specified criteria. So that is about the data validation option. Okay, right, all of you. So in this data validation only, you are having three options. So that means one is data validation again. Okay, so then circle invalid data. Then again clear validation circles. Okay, so shall I move on to the next option? So that is nothing but the consolidation. Okay, so consolidation. So now here, if I just put one simple data, okay, so names and sales. Okay,
Ma'am, what are we doing now? Are we seeing a data tab only?
yes, consolidation.
Okay.
So now in this data, I'll just edit the things. So in this consolidation, so what you have to do is, so first you have to place the cursor in the blank cell. Okay, so in the blank cell after your three datas are there, no, so after that you have to place the cursor. Okay, so now you just click on this consolidate option. Okay, so now here you are having the function, you have selected here the function. Okay, so now I'll just apply the sum function here. Okay, so now reference you have to select here. So reference in the sense you just select this reference here, and then again click on add. Okay, so then again you select the second data here, again click on add. So now you select the third reference also, so again click on add. Okay, so now you use labels in top row, so you have to mark it. So again the left column also, so you have to mark that also. Okay, so now again click on OK. Okay, so now can you see, so all the 3 years data it has been added over here. Okay, so the A person, so that means A employee, he has been sold the number of how many units. So the total number of units which he has sold is 21,910. So within the span of three datas, like that, that means 3 years data I have put here, like that. So in the same way, instead of the sum function, you can apply another function also. So now again place the cursor here, so again click on this consolidate here. So now here the sum function is there, so if I just apply this count function, so and whatever the cell references it is there, so let it be, so and then click on OK. See now how many sales are there. Okay, so how many A, how many B, how many C's are there, so you can apply.
Ma'am, can you show once again how to consolidate?
Ah, so here, okay, 1 minute. Okay, so now the consolidation, so we will apply this consolidation. I will show you once more. So I'll just delete this data. Okay, so now you just click on this consolidate here. Okay, so everything I'll delete. So now what I have to do is, in this function I have to select the sum function here. Okay, sum means you will be getting the addition of all the three numbers like that. Okay, sum, and then the reference. So just click here. So and then you select the reference here. Okay, so that means from A1 to B5. So and then click on add. Okay, so then again, so you select the cell reference 2. Okay, so select the second data. So and then again click on add. Okay, so then again you select the third data. So then again click on add. Okay, so then you have to activate these two, that means top row and the left column. Okay, so top row and the left column. So and then click on OK. See, now I'll be getting the total. So since I have selected there as the sum function, I'll be getting here as the total only. Okay, so that is about the sales option. Okay, so now again click on this consolidate. So now here what I will do is, so now I'll just apply the count function here. So and then if I click on OK, so then it will be counted and just displays the answer here like that. So then again if I just click on this consolidate, so now again so I'll not apply this count. So now this time I will apply this average. Okay, so now again click on OK. See, now I'll be getting the average of all the three. Okay, understood, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is about the consolidation. So again, so if I just select here consolidate, so now here if I just change this function to the maximum, so then if I just click on OK, so then I'll be getting the maximum value within these three things. Okay, so that is about the maximum. So and then you will be getting even the minimum also. Okay, so minimum also, then product, so that means the multiplication. Okay, so then the standard deviation, variable, so I mean variance, all those things you will be getting the function here, so you can apply whichever you want. Understood about the consolidation? So this one you just write down. So consolidation consolidates the specified data according to the function which you specify. Okay, so that is about the consolidation here. Written na? So then in the same way, so this one you can apply, that is about the manage data model. So you will be getting the thing in the model wise. Okay, so then again you can just click on this diagram view. So no, the data should be proper. So wait 1 minute. No, so I'm not getting this data in the diagram view. So that means this is about your relationship. Okay, so you can apply the
Ma'am, can you repeat this manage data model, ma'am? I didn't understand from the start.
no. So the data model you can apply this in the diagram view and all. So that is about the relationship. We will call that as a like that. So uh don't try that. Okay, so because so the data should be bulk for that option. Wait 1 minute. So I'll try to apply for this data. So manage data model. No, I'm not able to get.
So it applies only for bulk data, ma'am.
Bulk data. Yes. Okay. So from here we will continue tomorrow. So that means so we are having what if analysis option. Okay. So what if analysis. So this is very important. Scenario manager, a goal seek, data table, and all we are having. So then forecast sheet. So this is also very important. And then one more important thing is I will show you about the dashboard tomorrow. Okay, so let us connect tomorrow. Okay, so you guys, if you have any doubts, so you can clarify. Okay.
Excuse me, Ma'am, ma'am. about the exam on Saturday.
Ha, Huh.
Will it be the last exam or will we keep having exams after the classes?
No, no, no. On Saturday only the last exam. Final exam will be on Saturday only.
Then
So
after
for
that
that,
will be
uh,
after that will be provided certificates, no, ma'am?
yes, 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 it will be provided. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So no, ma. Actually, on Saturday only. That is about the on Saturday only we have kept the exam. Okay, so at any cost we have to. I mean, you have to attend the exams. Okay. So,
Excuse me, ma'am.
mm,
Ma'am, I'm not able to sign into the app. I've been trying.
so you just put your mobile number in the user ID. Okay,
Yes, I
username.
heard it.
You just put your
Okay.
mobile number, and in the place of password, you try with NICT 59. NICT 59.
It's still not happening, ma'am.
Or else 123 1234.
NICT 1234.
No, 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 only 1234.
Yes, ma'am. I've got it.
Huh.
Thank you.
Okay, okay, okay. So then let us connect it tomorrow. Okay. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.